Now, I talked to a monk once. He came to see me. He had a great many followers. And he was very well known. He's still very well known. And he said, I have taught my disciples. He was very proud of having thousands of disciples.
Yes, yes.
And it seemed rather absurd for a guru to be proud.
He was a success.
He was a success. And success means Cadillacs or Rolls Royces, European and American followers. You follow all that circus that goes on.
Yeah, and his gimmick works.
Gimmick works. And he was saying, I have arrived because I have learned to control my senses, my body, my thoughts, my desires. I have held them, as the Gita says. Hold your, something about you're riding a horse, holding them. He went on about it for some length. I said, sir, what at the end of it? You've controlled. Where are you at the end of it? He said, what are you asking? I have arrived. Arrived at what? I have achieved enlightenment. Just listen to it. So follow the sequence of a human being who has a direction which he calls truth. And to achieve that, there are the traditional steps, the traditional path, the traditional approach, and he has done it. And therefore he says, I have got it. I've got it in my hand. I know what it is. I said, all right, sir. He began to be very excited about it because he wanted to convince me about being a big man and all that. So I said, I sat very quietly and listened to him. And he quieted down. And then I said to him, we were sitting by the sea. And I said, do you see that sea, sir? He said, of course. Can you hold that water in your hand? When you hold that water in your hand, it's no longer the sea.
Right.
He couldn't make out. I said, all right. And the wind was blowing from the north, a slight breeze, cool. And he said, there's a breeze in there. Can you hold all that? No. Can you hold the earth? No. So what are you holding? Words? You know, sir, he was so angry. He said, I won't listen to you anymore. You're an evil man. And walked out.
After you.
All connected, bloody hell.
And I come every day to share the dream. You see? Very stable. How long do they dream for? 3-4 hours each day. And dream time with this compound? About 40 hours each and every day.
Why do they do it?
Tell him, Mr. Cobb. After a while, it becomes the only way you can dream. Do you still dream, Mr. Cobb?
They come here every day to sleep.
No. They come to be woken up. The dream has become the reality. Who are you to say otherwise?